annoys me. By Saint Savior, a hoarse crow makes himself a singer, and a bad clergyman who preaches. I don't value a poor miser at all, and it annoys me a trotting nag, and a rich man who wants to push too hard, and it annoys me with all my sense. A knowing man who takes his whore, and a lady who loves a servant, and a squire who quarrels with his lord. It annoys me a wealthy thief, and a beardless young lord with a shin. Annoys me, so help me God, when bread fails me on the tablecloth, and when he cuts it for me too small. Oh, soon it seems to me that it fails me in a young man full of nothingness, and a whore's dowry and her mockery. It greatly annoys me a fur-lined cloak, when the fur is old and used, on a hood newly trimmed, and an old saffron-colored whore. And it annoys me a plucked robe after St. Michael's Day has passed. Me just the same, a house of a too hungry man, and honey without herbs in a spiced drink, and he who promises me and does not keep his word, and of a base man just the same. It annoys me because he does not learn.